Hello and welcome back to the Auto Traction channel. You can see daily videos only on Auto Traction channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a compact but powerful piece of military innovation, the 2026 RQ-20 Puma Drone Fighter jet. Traditionally, designed as a hand-launched tactical UAV for surveillance and reconnaissance, the Puma has now evolved far beyond its original scope. In its new 2026 fighter variant, the RQ-20 isn't just a set of eyes in the sky, it's an agile, autonomous micro-weapon system capable of operating independently, swarming with other drones, and supporting manned missions in high-risk environments. Don't be fooled by its size. The redesigned RQ-20 comes with an upgraded aerodynamic frame made from lightweight carbon composite, designed to boost endurance, extend range, and enhance agility in flight. The wings have been reshaped for better lift and glide ratio. The folding launch system allows rapid deployment by personnel, vehicles, and even other aircraft mid-mission. Under the hood, or rather, inside the frame, that RQ-20 now uses a hybrid propulsion module combining an ultra-quiet electric motor with a backup microturbine, allowing it to operate silently during stealth modes and shift to high-thrust output when agility is needed in a combat scenario. It has an average flight endurance of 3.5 hours and a range exceeding 100 kilometers, making it ideal for forward surveillance and rapid engagement in dynamic environments. But what sets the 2026 RQ-20 apart is its integrated offensive capabilities. This drone isn't just passively observing anymore, it's equipped with a micro-payload bay that can house mini air-to-ground munitions, electronic warfare pods, or even loitering explosive charges. With real-time targeting assistance via AI and encrypted link to command units, the RQ-20 can identify, track, and engage soft targets with minimal latency. It's designed to neutralize threats like radar stations, light armored vehicles, and enemy drone nests, while being nearly impossible to detect with traditional radar systems. Onboard, AI gives the drone autonomous functionality that goes far beyond waypoint navigation. The RQ-20 can recognize terrain, reroute mid-mission, swarm with other drones using peer-to-peer network intelligence, and avoid jamming through dynamic frequency hopping. It's part recon, part fighter, part electronic ghost design for battles where traditional jets may be too expensive, vulnerable, or simply overkill. Operators interface with the drone via a next-generation ground control station featuring a heads-up digital display, real-time telemetry, and high-resolution infrared and optical camera feeds. The new mission software allows for drag-and-drop flight planning, automatic loiter functions, and strike authorization protocols that minimize operator fatigue in long missions. There's also a new launch recovery system that uses magnetic catapult rails and auto-landing nets, drastically reducing human involvement. In military strategy, the 2026 RQ-20 Puma isn't a replacement for large fighter jets. It's the scout, the shield, and the spark before the flame. It moves ahead of the formation, feeding data back to manned aircraft and ground units, softening up enemy defenses and engaging where others can't. It's expendable, flexible, intelligent, and lethal in a coordinated swarm. Thanks to its small radar footprint, minimal noise signature, and adaptive flight patterns, it can fly low, slow, and invisible to the untrained eye in asymmetric warfare, urban conflicts, or intelligence missions. The Puma becomes a perfect force multiplier, especially when deployed in large coordinated groups with varied payloads and objectives. So while it might not have the roar of a jet engine or the silhouette of a stealth bomber, the 2026 RQ-20 Puma Drone Fighter jet is changing the way modern warfare is fought quietly, precisely, and intelligently. Thanks for watching the Auto Traction channel. For more in-depth drone tech reviews and futuristic air power breakdowns, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow with more of the world's most advanced machines only here on Auto Traction channel.